Hi, it's Claire with a super quick video for you. This is going to be a small series of videos for the Art by Marlene Advent Calendar. And really, it's a time lapse that I put on my Instagram page and I thought might be quite good to add to my YouTube channel too. So really this is just about kind of watching these videos and seeing what I'm doing. But they are sped up quite a lot. So this one is probably the most scary one of all the pages I've done so far because of this black bit here. It didn't quite start off how I imagined it would do, but it all came together in the end. So that's the mosaic stencil from Dina Wakley, and the gloss spray, that's, I can't remember what colour that's called, Rouge, I think it is, and then Tangelo. I'm just trying to use that stencil to create some movement on the page, because it's going to have some butterflies on it, which are from Art by Marlene. They're some of her die cuts. So then I'm using this stencil from Dina Wakley just to add some dots onto the page and to try and soften those edges of the black as well. And I think that does kind of work to do that too. And then I go in using my Posca pen and just add some dots as well, again just trying to soften that black and push it away a little bit and create that sense and feeling of movement on the page. So then I used that silver Sharpie and just drew the line, sort of showing where the movement was heading, and then these little butterflies are die cuts from Art by Marlene, stuck those in place, and the chipboard was the element that came out of the advent calendar on day one. Then I outlined the little butterflies using the white Signo Uniball, and then I think decided that they needed black around them as well. Faffed about with that a bit, but basically that is the page. So that's a really quick video. I'm hoping to do one each day for December to show you how I use the advent calendar treat that comes out of the calendar. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow.